I love what I do because the interaction with the people. You know, it's seeing a team that's on the shop floor take control of their processes and make that company great. I've been in manufacturing for a little over 20 years. I've held roles in maintenance, operations, from plant manager up to director of operations, and so that experience across all those different aspects of the manufacturing world have, I think, contributed to my ability to touch all the different things that go on in a plant.
My favorite part of the coaching process is launch weeks. It's just such a dramatic change in such a short amount of time, and being able to see the teams come together and have these aha moments in just such rapid succession is just an awesome thing. It's incredibly powerful and fun to see.
The aspect of why I really like Redzone is because I used to do all the stuff that we do in Redzone, but manually. So being able to see how is it that we can take it to the next level and really being able to impact the shop floor, and actually having an operator come up to me and tell me about that, it really does bring a whole lot to what we do out there.
When we install the software and we start chatting and sending pictures, it's watching those people light up going, I got a picture and I can see exactly what's wrong with that machine. Giving the operator feeling that power now that they put an action in the system, they can now escalate that action all the way to the CEO if they're not getting the things they need to support the goals they have to hit.
The best thing about being a Redzone coach is that when you go on site, you start working with the operators on the floor, and you see their progression from day one, where they're just kind of scared to even use the iPad, to where at the end of the 90 days, we're going into these town halls and they're celebrating their wins and their victories. And they just walk and stand with a bit more pride, a bit taller, and it's really great to see that progression.
One of the probably most rewarding things for me about the job is the actual impact that it does have on the shop floor and the workforce.
And seeing how people apply various aspects of their experience to solving the problem as it comes out to get things to work exactly as they'd like it to work. That's really enjoyable when that light clicks on and everybody kind of gets it.
So what I like best about Redzone is the community of coaches. Between the group of us, we've touched every industry, every plant, every system, and just having that repository of knowledge has been incredibly impactful for myself, but also for the customers I support.
So with my background in manufacturing, I really understand the pains in a manufacturing environment and understand how we can utilize Redzone to deliver solutions.
I've worked in large food and beverage manufacturing, from production and materials. So that experience allows me to really relate to people on the floor. You get out and you start working with them, and you start seeing those aha moments and start seeing that excitement. That's what makes me wake up and be excited about going to work every day.
And I would say the thing that I enjoy the most about working for this company is being able to impact people's lives and impact them for the better. And to be able to give that shop floor a voice through technology is wonderful.